Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Oh.
Whoa! That's down in the woods.
Come on, Quinny.
Where are you hitting that?
I'm ready. I'm ready. That's a big club for a little girl.
Oh.
Whoa, let's try that again.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. Bro, it's keep going in the air.
Keep your head down after the swing.
I'm taking that. Oh.
Whoa.
Better watch out. Better not cry. Good. Oh, but keep saying God.
Oh, good shot.
Now can I try? What? Red? No, what like what?
The big one.
Golf club.
That? Yeah.
That'll hit him hard. That'll hit him far.
That's a driver. That'll whack it. Just try to get underneath it when you hit it. Keep your head down.
Well, I
Pull,
heard that.
pull with your left hand.
No. We do. Yeah. I'm keep hitting these 4 ones. Get set. Go. No. Max. I suck.
Your sister's better than you are.
No. I just. Oh, Dad. I need better aim.
Watch it. She's right behind you. Whoa, that went pretty far.
In the bushes. You can probably find it on the other side.
Over there.
All right, it's Quinny's turn. Move out of the way. Did you get that on video?
That was even better than the one before.
Oh, Micah. Hey, Quinn, I think that went in the woods. I did it. Can I try?
Yeah. Wait till she gets off.
See? Micah. Bro, I'm so good.
Patience, patience.
All right, now it's Quinny's turn.
Now it's Quinny's turn.
Give me it. No. Oh, that's a lightning bug.
Oh.
Bro, I saw another one. I saw another one. Feel how light this is. Feel how light that is.
Up.
Nice, like 4 yards.
Oh. Wow.
Whoa, nice shot.
This is addicting, isn't it?
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah, but you have to put this on this side, remember?
Whoa,
This side.
into the woods.
I ain't even see it.
Watch it. Wow, nice shot.
Right.
See?
Nice shot, Shirley.
Every single time.
That's because you got a big
Back.
club. Dry on the ball.
Guys, I keep hitting it in the same spot.
Well, that's because you're aiming.
If I just flashlight,
I think we're just going to take showers tonight. These
No.
bathtubs are going to take too long. And it's already getting dark out. Oh,
And you have to give us flashlights. Oh. Finally, I got it.
you're coming too far from it. Keep your eye on the ball.
Like baseball. Quinn, look. You want to see my hit? Quinn, you want to see my hit? No.
Wait, let her hit it.
Yay! What'd you catch?
The lightning bug.
A lightning bug. Oh, cool.
I caught it. No, I found one. Look, look. He flew away. I caught that. Here's my pet now. Look. Before I.
There's one, Quinny.
Got it.
Let's see.
I can't get him anymore.
Did you get it? Let it fly away.
Cool. What are you going to do now?
There he goes.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Yeah, babies, I'm catching them.
Let's see. What'd you catch? Oh, he just flew away.
Got him again. I got it. See it. I got another one. I'm gonna show Mom. Oh, this one's very aggressive. Hey, get away! I'm not doing it on my hand.
Look, you turn him upside down. See? There's his light, right?
Yeah.